Hi, this is Bob Morrow, here again talking about Burlington condos for sale. As you can see, we're down at Burlington's beautiful waterfront again. One of the things I'm asked is how long a term should I get on my mortgage? First question I ask in return is, are you sure that's the right word? Term and amortization are two different things. When you get a mortgage, you want to amortize it for as long as you can. In years gone by, that used to be 30, 40 years. Now, 25 is the maximum that a lender will go. You tell me, well, I might sell my house before that. It doesn't matter. What we're trying to do is get the mortgage rate extended over a long period of time. The word term means the short period. In other words, you go get a mortgage now, and you're going to have choices between 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, maybe 7 years. What will determine what you choose is the interest rate. If you, for example, now get a 5-year term, they're pretty good rates. And if your credit rating and everything else is okay, then you're going to get a good rate for your mortgage. 5 years from now, you have to renew. And you're taking the chance that in 5 years, that mortgage rate will be lower or the same. Hopefully, it won't be higher. That's one of the reasons you pick 5. However, if you're in a position where your mortgage is not the maximum amount of money you can spend every month, you might be able to go for a shorter term, say 2 years or even 1 year, and get a much, much lower rate. The bank will give you a lower rate because it's only going to loan you that money for a year. At that time, you'll have to renew, but then you might go to a different bank or you might go do it a different way. So the bank is assured that within the year they're going to get their money back. The only way you can consider something like that, however, is if the mortgage payment isn't all the money you have available to you, your disposable income, in other words, and if the rate does suddenly skyrocket, in a year's time you can still afford to renew and keep your house. This is Bob Morrow.